situational analysis, and this round is case studies. Because we thought by case studies, our approach is more grounded research, ethnographic, case study.
A case study written properly can actually influence decision from faraway countries that people actually do certain things.
Most of the case studies here are based on the experiences of interacting with the local communities at a specific locality across Malaysia.
In terms of the farmers, so they are lack access to profitable and value-added markets, and because of their limited crop networks, they are affected in terms of marketing their produce.
SDG bersama komuniti, mereka menyatakan terdapat isu dari segi jalan penghubungan kerana status tanah yang masih merah, jalan yang berbatu-batu dan agak jauh.
There are villages also work with the smugglers, and also this one is off record ya, ke kampung cakap. Army also involved in that.
Kesan dia kepada penduduk kampung Meraya pada projek perumahan kala ini ekonomi ya, antaranya nama mereka di list ya, di Senar Hitam, dan mereka ini tidak dapat menyara kehidupan dan juga lead kepada masalah sosial.
5 residents associations have been behind the objections to the development of these two areas, and they have sent 7 letters to BBKL.
We were interviewing them, they can actually tell us this quote by saying that, look, by zoning, there's such a thing as rancangan tempatan, the zoning is under Akta Perancangan Bandar, tertakluk kepada Akta Perancangan Bandar, zoning kawasan and etc.